just 1 egg, you can make a delicious cake for your afternoon coffee. We will start by adding 15 grams of butter to a pan. As soon as this butter melts, let's add a tablespoon of sugar. Done that, let's leave the heat on medium power and let's stir until it reaches the point of our syrup. Look guys, at this point, we will add our apple slices. Go ahead and tell me in the comments which city you're watching this video from. Now let's turn off the heat and let's go to the dough. In a container, let's add 1 whole egg, 50 grams of sugar or 3 tablespoons. And with the help of a whisk, let's mix everything very well. Then, add 50 milliliters of oil, 100 milliliters of whole milk, and 3 drops of vanilla essence. Here you can use the essence of your choice. We're going to mix all these ingredients very well. Then we are going to add 160 grams of wheat flour. As soon as our dough gets smooth, we're going to finish it with a tablespoon of chemical yeast for cakes. Here we're going to mix very well until it turns very homogeneous. And this is the point. Now let's pour everything over these apple slices, remembering that the fire is still off. Done that, just turn the fire on low power. Close it and let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Here the time has passed, so let's use a toothpick to see if it's baked. Then, let's use a plate to turn to the other side. And look how beautiful our frying pan cake is. A super easy, practical, and delicious recipe. So try it at your house and then come here to tell me how it turned out. As you can see, this one got very soft. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. A big hug and see you in the next video. Have you ever imagined receiving our delicious recipes every day on your cell phone? It's very easy, guys. First, click on any of our videos. Then press the notification bell and then press receive all videos. All done. Now just enjoy our recipes firsthand.